Dennis the Menace piece. It got a cowlick situation. At first I thought it was cute because I'm like, yeah, that's what a stylist would do. I forget what it's called when they oh yeah, I cut it around the ear tabs around my ear. Sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna try to fix that later. I was trying to say, a lot of this is probably gonna have to get edited out, but right behind the bang is where the tracks start. I've seen some people do different things, cutting bangs into it and stuff, but I always say this. I don't want to say it again, but it's true. I'm out of time. And now I gotta run out the door, but it laid down pretty well. Oh, definitely get some tangling and some shedding. All of that excess lace and a little tab, like I really had to cut it a lot, you know, around my ear, and I wish I wasn't doing it the way I did. I ended up with a little like patch where there's some short hair over here, but you're not gonna see that. Yeah, y'all. This unit is not perfect. It's $40 damn, but the color is coloring. I think definitely if you go on Outre's channel, the color is definitely different. Like it's just lighter overall. I know it says it's DRFF2, but if you look, it looks like a more like darker brown, even at the root. All right, I'm gonna try. I don't want to take all the bump and all the movement out of it, but I want to just like lay it. I also sprayed, because that's probably edited out now too. I sprayed some of this Simply Styling in there. That's it. We ain't doing too much. Yeah. I'm hearing a blazer. I think this will be fine. I'm not gonna put anything to hold this. I'm not gonna put anything to hold this to make sure this covers that, because I feel like it's secure, but at the same time, this is the little area, this strip that you get. I'm not going in there plugging nothing because it's just too iffy for me. But if you're an expert like that, go for it. So yeah, the tracks start right there, but the bang is adequate to cover it. I like the little lifts and this kind of action. I think it's sexy and cute, and I like the movements. I don't want to run, you know, a hot comb all the way through this unit and just make it bone straight. Everybody might not like the bump, but I like that. I like the bang. I'm gonna touch up around my hairline and get out the damn door because I was supposed to left 15 minutes ago. But you know, I will be back to let y'all know how it goes, how this unit wears. So other than the silicone spray, which took care of all tangling and stuff, I didn't put any other products in the unit itself. All right, y'all, peace. That slap probably loud as hell. I haven't seen no young girls wearing this unit yet. This is like a mature, this is a mature lady style. Like, look at it. Just check, just look, you know. I think you 30 something if you like this, but maybe I should do something about the Dennis the Menace, the little cowlick piece. If somebody get that fucking close, fuck them. But I don't like that. The longer you look, the more you're gonna see something. You know what I mean? So it's time to go. I don't know where. That's how I ended up getting this stand. I don't like it. Yeah. Just get that in there. Oh, definitely. I'm gonna definitely need that spray tonight, all night. So yeah, my bag, it can fit in my bag. This thing can't wait to tangle some more. I might gotta pick a side, you know what I mean? Ain't gonna be a whole lot of flipping and dipping, throwing it over the shoulders, shit and stuff. YouTube don't like cussing. Oh, now what in the world? Cause Now it's me. Now I'm the problem. Look at this. It's got me wondering, should I put something else in it? But no. Me and my Miami Vice outfit will be back to tell you how this joint held up all night throughout the night, and final thoughts. So we'll be right back. Peace. All right, y'all, it's like 2 a.m. I was out. I look a mess, so excuse me, but this is just a quick update. So you see the unit. Basically, when I got to my destination, I sprayed some of the silicone spray, brushed through it, and I haven't brushed through it since. So right now, yeah, it's like 2 a.m. and that was at like probably 8 p.m. So it definitely tangles. It hasn't been shedding, and definitely tangles, has not been shedding. I didn't have any issues, you know, with like getting exposed right here. It wasn't super windy, but you know what I mean? Like I never went to the bathroom and saw like all of that exposed or anything. So I think they did a really good job. The construction of the unit overall is kind of cheesy. Like where the tracks are is kind of flimsy and stuff. Okay, that's starting to lift, but that's good. Yeah, I'll probably show y'all that in the morning, or because you can't see nothing right now, but like where the tracks are attached, it just feels very like kind of flimsy. There's a big gap in between. Like imagine if you got a sew-in and somebody left large spaces in between the web, like where they added thread, you know what I mean? So it just feels kind of cheesy. But the unit itself, I mean, it's pretty much held up to a kind of a rough night. One thing I do not like is the hair itself. Now again, I haven't been brushing it continuously, and it's, I would say, you know, the level that it tangles and everything, even with the spray in it, it's kind of crazy. Because I, you know, some units you spray them with the silicone spray, brush it through, and you're good to go. This one, I gotta take the, let me stop getting distracted. Okay, the hair, but I would notice like the hair, you know, when I first put it on, I was like, okay, it's cool. I like how it has that little slight bump to it, and it has movement and everything. With the level of tangling and stuff that happens, you lose that, and then the hair is so, it like will be like flipped out like this a lot. So I like this unit. I definitely love the color. I mean, I think it's pretty, but I was thinking about buying the at least one more in either the burgundy or the denim ombre. I don't think I'm gonna do that now, but I like this one. It did survive the night. I think I will get several wears out of this, but it's got some like annoying tendencies to it, you know what I mean? But you got to give up something on every unit. Yeah. See, here we go. Yep, I would not pluck that. But if you're really good, I was just nervous to try to pluck that. All right, y'all, I'm out. Peace.